Hello fellow traders, Paul Limo. Got another stock here, RBLX. This has a long-term cycle breakout pending possibly on it, and could be a big run ahead. This is a strong cup pattern, and I'll break down the cycles here in a second. But first, before we dive in, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe. It really helps us reach more traders like you and keeps you updated on our latest trading tips. Also, we're looking for talent, maybe someone who's not locked into their own way of trading and is open to exploring a new outside-the-box form of cycle-based trading, which we use to swing trade equities and day trade indexes, SPY, QQQ, and futures. If you have any interest in that, DM me through our social media or email me at paul@bigkahnatradingclub.com and I'll give you more information. Okay, also just to remind you, the market rating still E+, is still a problem. We made progress, but still stuck in a trench until we get out of a few cycle lines. We're going to be still kind of treacherous waters. So be careful. And if you want to learn more about the market rating, go to bigkahnatradingclub.club/market-rating. Okay, breaking down the cycles here, we had a pretty extended consolidation off the IPO. IPO was about 120% or so on that, and then pull back in the cup TM3 cycle, first one 5 to 7 month, 1.5 year TY-1 second cycle. And the third cycle, we're just about a 3.5 year cycle TY-2. This broke the 3-year high right here, and looks to be about a TD9 cycle on the pullback. You can see once that trend line set, you had about a breakout of a 4 to 5 bar high, and the base would have caught the breakout of that wave 3 down there. So right now we're outside of the TY-2 line, and so far it's acting pretty good. We have the $75 psychological price point up here, and it may just pull just a little bit below that, back inside that line a little bit, but I would expect probably in the next several days it's going to take off again. And if it just heads up to that prior line there, let's go move this over here, that pivot high, that would be 110% or so. And then, you know, if you extrapolate the base BMI inside of this, that 5.3, this could be a $500 plus stock. But, you know, it all depends on fundamentals. When you have this deep of a cup too, probably more than likely not going to hit that anytime soon, but quite likely to hit 100% out of the cup. That would take it to $300 plus. And if you're in at 75, that would be a good 300% plus gain on it. If you're unfamiliar with any of the trading terms I'm using, you can find our club lingo at bigkahnatradingclub.club/lingo. Now there is one trend line that may support that big target on this, the trend line across the 2021 highs. If you look at that line, that's points right to $500. So it's not out of the question. Once we get outside of this prior U pivot, we're at 150, and if we hit a 200% gain out of that would take it to 450 plus or so. So quite conceivable it could do it again. All depends on the fundamentals of this. Worth checking under the hood, but this is a really good chart, and this could definitely go places once we get outside of that U pivot down here at about 75 bucks or so. Now just one more look at this BMI here. It's about 2 BMI off of the 2023 low, so it's really strong. And so far, a soft landing pullback, $58 PPP, and right now it's 75. So we can get some juice out of that. This thing can be off to the races. If you're interested in our trading style, want to join the club or get one-on-one coaching, head over to cycletradingtraining.com. Hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.